Hi guys, and welcome back to Paddy Does Cars. Today I'm going to be taking the driver's side seat out to swap over the stalk buckle for the seatbelt, which I've bought off eBay. Same code and everything, so hopefully it's right. I've been told that there's some sort of electrical in. I think it's cool myself, but I'm going to take it out and see if it has got anything to do with the light being on the dash. Because the seat belt's been changed and everything, and I have took it out but it comes back on. But there's a buckle. I'm hoping it's going to be straightforward to get the seat out, but knowing this car it probably won't be. Still got nowhere with a minute yet. I've still got to take it off the car and break it down and have a look and see inside it and see if it can be fixed. So I think the other thing, obviously, if you haven't subscribed and liked yet, please could you do so, because it would help me a lot. I'm enjoying what I'm doing, and I just need to obviously get better equipment and stuff to bring more content, better content to you guys out there. So I'll get the tools out that I need, and I'll get set up, and I'll put you back on camera. I'll see you soon. Hi guys, I know you can't see much, but we've got 4 Torx screws to check out, well bolts, but they're multi-type. I didn't think I had any, but we have. So hopefully got the right size. So we'll check these 4 out, get the seat out, swap the belt buckle over. Now there we go, so let's get cracking. There's one over this side, obviously. Can't even see it. I won't get it out. Well, I hope you are all having fun on your day, whatever you are doing. Mind you, I suppose most of us will be at work. You'll come out easy and it'll be a twat to go back in. Sorry for the view of the camera, by the way. But there's not many places you can put it. Right guys, got another one here and another one at the back there. Let these out, then the seat should just lift out. I've just got to disconnect the wire under the seat, which might be more of a problem than what we think, but we'll see. I'm hoping it takes the light out, because everything else has been changed, even airbag, but my computer should check it out, but it didn't seem to be. Checks it out and it comes straight back on. Well, that's weird. Use that for 3 of them. Got right to this one at the back. It don't fit. Let me just get another. It's a different size. That's weird. I'll just quickly show you. It's there. That's one that I'm getting out now. So Let's get it out. I can't show you under the seat to see the wire because I can't even see it myself, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right guys, that's all the bolts out, all the wiring's disconnected, so we'll pull it out now and then we'll have a look how the buckle comes off the seat and get it swapped. There you go. One bolt holding it on under the runner. Right, move the runner forward and then get that out and get it swapped over. Right guys, find out where it is. I'll just give you a quick look. There. So I've got to take that off, disconnect the wire, and then put the other one back on, then get it back in the car. So, let's get on with that. That's not going to do it. Right guys. Get a smaller socket, chamfered where the chamfer's at the edge. We'll pull that on. I'll see if we can break it free. Oh yeah, that's right. Without breaking it. Thank God for that. Not looking too good. Somebody's always had it off for and knackered the edge in a bit. All the teeth were gone. Right. I want to put in. Right. Need some little snips to get the cable tie off. 1 minute. Right guys, it's off. And guess what? We've got another problem. The guy said it fits. It's totally different. Look at that one. Look at that one. The wire's the same, but there's no way that'll fit onto the seat. So that puts an end to that bit of the video today, doesn't it? So now I'm going to have to go online again and try and find one that'll fit. I mean, but that is totally different to that. Can't really see them. Check that off. Totally different. So I'm getting really annoyed now with this car. We look near enough identical pictures when you see it like that. But then when I just look to the bottom, it's totally. I don't know, guys. You have to laugh otherwise you cry. So I'll order another one, and then it's going to be reversal, obviously, of putting it back in. So if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate if you would subscribe. I'll be back with the next one anyway, because what I've got is a carport that you put up yourself for back garden to paint the bumper and that in the right colour. So that'll be the next video anyway, because it's getting rubbed down again, ready for it. I'll just turn it around. It's still in the living room, still there. So I'm going to get it all rubbed down and that, and then painted, which I'll be able to video it, and there'll be no wind and that. So I'll see you in that one anyway. Please like, subscribe and follow. I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.